Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to Set of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host, Martin, and this is episode 364, Technical Analysis, Crypto, and Stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to all the articles that we cover here sometimes, and the link to Twitter as well. So on that note, thank you for being here. Andrew, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Rockets, yes. Hey, 250, congrats. Wow, awesome. Really? Are we up to 50 already? I didn't look that. Oh, snap, dude. We are at 250. Great, man. Thank you all for subscribing and liking this. Wow, it's what a milestone, right? Quarter of a way to 1,000. It's so cool, man. Who was it? I don't have who like I know Big Klaus had subscribed like maybe a couple days ago. He's the last one that I have, so I think I'm gonna say that it was him, probably. You know. I'm not sure, dude. It doesn't tell me like who the last ones are. Sometimes it doesn't tell you like every single subscriber. Like I didn't get notifications for the last two. Basically, that's why I didn't know that we were already there. But oh, thanks, guys. That's awesome, dude. I really like the fact that we're there already. So cool, man. On that note, transition. What is happening today on crypto, dude? First of all, I had opened the CME for some reason. I can't remember why I was looking at it there. But anyways. Market cap, all funky, right? If you remember, we had this gap a couple days ago. Is this live already? I mean... I'm just going to reload, because for some reason it has a gap, and then a couple days ago we also had a gap. Just want to make sure I'm not loading any, like, information that's not updated, because, awkward. Anyways, gapping up on market cap. Yesterday we managed to lose 0.29%. One below, hit that 50%, right? And look at what happened. We're bouncing and going higher, which is okay. Trying to go for that 618 at $344 billion. Right now we're sitting at $342.05 billion. And the high we got was $343, right? $0.6 billion. So very, very close. Again, right now, 342. Moving up 1.39%, which is good. Now, Bitcoin dominance, where is it at? Bitcoin lost dominance. Look at that gap down. Wow, awesome, right? Anyways, Bitcoin yesterday managed to lose 0.43, broke below 20, which is okay. Today, going down still 0.80, which is okay. Neutral at 41.53 on that RSI, and currently sitting at 58.55% of market cap. Now, the price of Bitcoin at 10,825 buckaroos and 48 cents. Now, where are we at, man? We rejected this area. We moved down, right, almost to the bottom of the channel. Managed to bounce and recover the 20, which is good, right? We want to recover the 20. That makes us feel a little bit more bullish. Trying to go up again right now, sitting near the resistance, right? The resistance at 10,837.52. We already wicked above it today. Again, we haven't developed anything here short term, right? Like high to low, and even here, high, higher, high. High to low, high, higher, high. High to low, high, higher, high, right? Positive momentum, less positive momentum. Last thing we have is old bullish divergence that we have back here. That's the only thing that we really just have to go on, right? We don't have a lot of information, like I said. On that note, we're getting a request from Steve. Hey, Steve, how's it going, bro? I saw that your request came in earlier, so if I didn't say anything, I was like talking about the other stuff in the market. But you want XTC, all right? We'll check out XTC, right? By the way, if you guys like art, go see Bitcoin Jake's art at... Where was it? Like Rarible? Yeah, Rarible. That's where Jake has his art. I think he's published one and then a copy of that art. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, what else is happening here? Again, trying to rally, right? That's fine. So let's go to the 4-hour chart and figure out what's happening there with Bitcoin. Sorry if the stream ended abruptly yesterday, guys, by the way. I didn't say anything. I did go on Twitter. I did one on the Discord. My internet connection just crapped out for no reason. Until in the morning, it was just like in and out the whole time, right? It was insane. I'm glad that it's kind of like good, you know? Did I see the GIF you made and posted today? No, dude, I haven't. Send me the link in the Discord. Did I get my internet fixed? Yeah, dude, that's what I'm, yeah, sorta. I had a really nasty call with them. I told them it was, like, really unprofessional, right? And they were arguing, like, oh, but also it's because of COVID that we don't have enough people to go out there to fix everything. And I was like, yeah, precisely, dude. But that's because of COVID that I need to have internet, dude. I work from home. My kid's taking online classes. You're leaving me without internet for 10 days. Do you think that's proper customer service? Like, you know, I was already at the other company's desk because I had to go up and pick up my company phone that had gotten busted. And I went there. And it was just really, really, it was just, you know, insane. Like, as soon as I hung up with them and told them I was the other company, my wife called me and, like, 3 minutes later saying the internet was fixed. Like magic. I mean, it hasn't dropped again, which is just insane. Jake, for some reason, dude, my internet, like I said, is not super good right now. I do believe that at least what I'm sending out is going out well. But the thing is this, you might be playing faster for you, or here my PC is just like super choppy, dude. So I'm not gonna be able to see it right now live. I mean, I'm gonna show it here to you guys. This is Bitcoin Jake's space art GIF 01. And yeah, he's selling it. There's 350 pieces at 1 each. Jake, you and I gotta talk, bro, because I want to know how you mint so many, right? How do you limit the mints of the project? So that's just something I want to know. So I saw the video that they made for intro and like how to use it. I haven't made anything yet, but I don't want to like screw up and just mint one of one when I really just want a couple. But I'll ask you that post stream. Anyways, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, high, low, and then low, right? We had the bearish divergence. That's fine. We created the hidden bullish. That's great. We tried to drop. We didn't. We dropped almost to the same level. Let's check it out, dude. What was this closing at? 10,688.15. 10,683. 88, 83. Slightly lower, right? Now we're going lower here. I do believe so, right? 14, 44, and 15. So more negative momentum. On the RSI, however, we might be saving it. 46.92. 46.16, right? Also coming in lower, right? Negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI. I mean, we could just go in on a bounce, right? On the strong or the hidden bullish that we had back here. We haven't developed anything bearish. That's okay. Another way to look at this is that we're tightening on a range, right? High, lower high, and now lower high even, rejecting that 10,800, and we're coming low, higher low. This is slightly lower low, you know, but you know, it's within like a $5 range for rails for Bitcoin. So you know, it could be just that, you know, we're finding support, like around this area, right? Same area that we hit here, and trying to rally a little bit. That's what I'm gonna look at. The 1 hour might give us a better clue. But on that note, let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm working on some of my art, dude. Remember I showed you guys some of the artwork that I have? I'm getting my brother to help me make it so that at least it's not a steady image, which I think a steady image is easier to rip off. But making them spin, right? And this is going to be the Queen of Spades, by the way. Which is like the one that I'm going to be posting probably today or tomorrow. On that note, yeah, I'm just going to make it spin a little bit. Like spin, stop for a second, then reverse. And then spin, go for a second, and then reverse. Maybe something in the background, I'm not sure yet. I want to see if I can sell each one of these for like 2 Ethereum, I guess. And I'm just going to mint 5. I might do it like a second edition like Jake did with something, and I'll check out how that goes. Anyways, what's happening here? High, lower, high. Positive was positive, right? Low, higher, low. Positive, more positive. Okay, cool. We are creating something here, right? Look from here to here. High to a lower high at a resistance 10,837. Alright, look at that. The 1 hour, beautiful. And then here we're going from a low to a higher point, right? So creating some of that hidden bearish divergence, and probably why we're moving down a little bit right now. Do we create something bullish here? High, low, high, high, right? Like Here we did create something to this point. From here to here, right? Going slightly higher, right? Low, higher, low, and then negative, more negative, right? Some hidden bullish. On that we're rallying, we're failing to drop lower, and it could still be that this hidden bullish was carrying us higher. And that could be a possibility. And again, we're at a resistance, right? And we're rejecting, which is not good. We could come down, maybe retest that 20. But more or less, we've been trading within the range that we have determined for Bitcoin, which is pretty good, right? At least the last... when was this? Since we got back on this level on September 24th, most of the action has been contained within the range that we have, 10,837 to 10,647. So I'm not super worried about this yet. Again, we could be going down again. We're going to get tired of being on this range. Two things can happen. We're either going to eat the supply in this range and move to the next area of supply, which will likely be higher, or we're not going to eat the supply, and demand's going to die out, and we're going to drop lower, right? That's two ways we can look at this. Anyways, on that note, sitting bought at 61.47 on that RSI. Let's go to Ethereum. By the way, I managed to make the proposal for DVT, man. I'm going to try to, like, get myself into the marketing DAO. Hey, it's there. Go like it. Go do something with it. Posted it 8 hours ago. I think only one person's liked it. So that's fine. Not a lot of discussion happening there. But, you know, we'll see how that goes. Anyways, again, rejecting 364, bro. Really? Oh, man. Did we know it was a target? Yes, we rejected the 20. We knew about that. We talked about that yesterday. We managed to, like, gain almost nothing, 0.04%. Today moving up 0.80%. The highest we've gotten is 363.90. Right now sitting at 362.83, so about $1 below. And our target right now to hit is 364.03. That's going to be the resistance. We're hitting that area. We're also slightly above that 20. That 20 at 362.18. We're at 362.79. So about like 60 bucks away, or 60 cents away, sorry. Are we doing something? I doubt it, dude. Let's see. 165, 156. High, lower, high, positive is positive. High on the other side to a lower point. Nothing there, right? Coming in lower, lower, and then just hitting bullish. That's the only thing we have. Sorry, strong bullish here against the MACD. That's the only thing we have. Sitting neutral at 48.55 on that RSI. Anyways, what's happening on the Ethereum 4-hour? Bearish divergence. We called that one a while back. So broke down, trying to regain this area. High, lower, high, positive to less positive, high on their side to a lower point. Nothing bearish. We could really try to go and get above this area. Still yet to be determined. Now, do we have something bullish? Low. Oh, man, I got to look at this opening. 352.40. 352.63. Slightly higher on the closing. 352.65. So, yeah, slightly higher. Very slightly higher. We're a little more negative momentum and lower on that RSI. So to be fair, again, going slightly higher. That's okay. I mean, I'm not going to put a lot of weight on this. We are getting a bounce. We are creating some hidden bullish, which is okay. But not too much, right? Again, it's just barely there, man. You just got to, like, really look for it. It just looks like sideways motion almost. But we do have that. We're rising on that, and that's fine. Getting above the 20 is what matters, right? Getting above 364 would be great for Ethereum. That means that whenever we sell art now on Rarible, we're going to make more money. Hey, ain't that great? Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. And rejection, hidden bullish, taking that rally, which is okay. High, lower, high, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side, higher on the other side here. So everything to here is good. Now let's go to the next one, right? So this new island here. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Nothing bearish. Do we do something bullish? I doubt it. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to a higher point on the other side. Again, it would just seem like we're just getting regular market motion. I'm not expecting anything to be weird here. Even from here, high to low, right? And look at that. Overbought, like bought really high to bought slightly lower, right? So again, nothing there either. So I'm just waiting for something to develop on Ethereum. Wouldn't be weird if we got above that 364. Just Bitcoin wants to, like, want to play ball, basically. I don't think I'm missing anything here. High, low, high, low. Yeah, there we go. That's moves. Yeah, no, I'm not missing anything. So let's go to XRP. XRP at 24.26 cents. Surprise, surprise. XRP failing to get above that 24.69 area. Struggling to maintain itself above the 20. High to low. Are we more positive momentum? Let's see. 152. 157. Right. So coming in low now on XRP. Again, this is just like, what a joke, right? We cannot get this to take off. Going slightly higher and then high to low here. So nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD, some hidden bearish. Sitting neutral at 47.51. Hey, Sotri, how's it going, bro? How'd it do, man? Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence. We move down on that. That's okay. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Previous low, let's see. 63. That we're making something higher. 72, alright. We do have something here. Some hidden bullish divergence. Haha. That's how we're gonna roll. Slightly more, right? Again, we don't have it here against RSI. That's fine. Right, sitting neutral at 53.25. Let's go to the 1 hour XRP. Alright, we had the hidden bullish, the strong bullish. We rallied, rejected the 20, move lower, right? On that move lower, what do? Create more bullish divergence. Remember how we said yesterday? I can't remember. I think we were on here. We said, look, we're rejecting the 20. We're going to move lower, right? And lower did we move. Ain't that great? High the mighty have fallen XRP. Like, someone should really just put like a firecracker under XRP's ass and see if we can get it to move, because it's just been freaking dead, man. You know, it's heavily underperforming the rest of the market. It's just annoying. 53.31, 36, sorry, 35.31, and then here, I just went completely dyslexic while reading the numbers. Yay! Right on. Right. From here we had some hidden bearish, right? Look at this. Boom, right. Boom, boom. We did move down on that. I'm trying to look for something. We did fail to go lower, right? We failed to drop. We have the strong bullish. That's what's carrying us up again. Sitting at 24.25 cents right now. Again, failing to get above that 24.62 cent area. Set for XRP neutral at 58.32 on the RSI. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin at $46.67. What's happening with it on the daily? Oh, we're at the 20. Are we doing something? Not yet. Creating that hidden bearish potential action to the downside. We're now even creating it here against the RSI. We didn't have it before, but now we have it. Look at that. Boom, boom. Neutral at 45.61. Potential action to the downside, right? Or rejection of the 20. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we have this hidden bullish. That's what's rallying at. So that's the last thing we called. Now we're going slightly higher. Still lower than the previous high. High to low. High on their side to a lower point on their side, even from here. So nothing bearish right now. Nothing else that's bullish. We're still running off the old hidden bullish divergence that we had. And getting above that 20. Look at that. Beautiful. Holding support. Trying to catapult and trying to go higher still. So that's great. Sitting neutral at 59.56 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening here on the 1 hour? Right, so we hit support, right? Hit support right after we went off the air, right? At that 20, which was the expected move. We bounced, right? We talked about that possibility sometimes when we were here. I don't always mention it, but I always talk about hitting that 20 and then either rejecting or finding support and bouncing, right? And that's one of the possibilities. We know that's one of the possibilities that could come in, that could happen, right? And that's just what we got. Now here, short term, right? We're going slightly higher here. Yeah, let's just anchor these to the 1 hour. That's great. And we're going much lower here, right? So from here to here. And from here to here, right? So on that note, we're moving down, hitting that 20 and taking another bounce. Now on that secondary bounce that we're making, I'm just gonna take it from here right now. We could, in theory, take it all the way from back here, right? That would be the highest point here. But I just want to point this out real quick. So from here to here, we still have that strong bearish divergence, and here I will go to that other point because it just seems that from here we wouldn't have it. But like I said, this is just one straight line, from one island to the next, and then from this point to here. We have this strong bearish divergence for action to the downside on Litecoin. We could be moving down maybe for a retest of that 20. See, we're going to still hold that as support. And sitting bought at 63.89 on that RSI. Again, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Be awesome people. The supporters of the channel. The troopers, man. You guys are troopers, man, for reals. On that note, let's go check out Binance. What is happening with the Binance? Binance at $29.20, man. Ain't it doing good, man? I like how well Binance is doing. I'm just scared for it, bro. I mean, it's just been performing extremely well. It's got almost... Let's get a percentage, dude. I'm gonna guess like at least 30 or 25-30%. Let's check it out, dude. 28, right? So I'm in between that. All right, so we did go from $22, sitting right now at $29.20. Had a low, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Bought at 61.73, but nothing bearish. Last thing we have is a hidden bullish. Still running on that. Got above the 20. Use it as support. Took a bounce. Try and hold on to that. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, we had the bearish divergence here all over the place. One of these ones is even from the 1 hour chart that I forgot to anchor. I think it's that one. And here I'm not sure I'm gonna get the right one. I'll just send that one there. Right on, right? Remember we said we had it here in this last bit? Or that bit? We're still climbing more, right? Look at that. We're still climbing from how... I'm just trying to gauge how I should just move this. Not because I'm doing it like I'm doing something wrong. It's just I want to see how I'm gonna like show you guys this. One way to look at this, we could go from here to here, right? Although we already know here it already played out. We just extend that, but I'm just gonna take it in parts so we can look at it a little bit better without having the line go over the bars and it getting way too distorted. Let's go to the 4 hour here. As you can tell, right? Look at that coming in lower, right? And then here also coming in lower like that, right? So that strong bearish divergence still play. It's failing to move down. That is super bullish on Binance, right? It's been creating bearish divergence. It's just failing to drop, bro. It's insane. Sitting bought at 66.07. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Going higher, coming lower, lower again. That's fine. Now we're going higher here. Previous high would be this one. That's fine. It's just no 1 hour though, right? Look at that. Coming in higher and coming in lower, right? Some hidden, some strong bearish divergence still. Potential action to the downside. The only thing I don't like from here, right? I'm going to the previous high. That would be this island, right? That's where I'm getting that move. The only thing I don't like is that we don't have anything on the short term that you know we can pin it to. So from here, right, from this part, high, higher high, positive, more positive, high, right, even slightly higher here, I think. So let's check this one out. 67.97, 67.16, right on. We could even go from here. Ain't that great? Yeah, we'll go from here and here. That way we're not crossing over data. But here's short term, right? High, higher high, positive, right? More positive. High on the other side, higher on the other side. Congruency, right? Not usually what we want to see here. We want to see this either drop or go higher. But thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that stuff, please. And subscribe to the channel. We're really cool. You'll like it here, I guess. If you're new, definitely subscribe. You're going to like it here. We're a really cool channel. Sitting neutral at 59.67 on that RSI. Again, Binance expecting to get that moving down. We'll see how things are going to happen here. We've gotten requests. Someone said Maker. I think it was Andrew on the Discord. Do we know what the token for Maker is? I don't. I don't have it on my head right now. MKR. All right, we'll look at MKR. MKR $2 on Bitfinex. We'll see if that chart is okay. No, too many gaps. Slows this. MKR. We'll go with this one. Alright, on the daily, we're creating bullish divergence, right? In a different ways, right? One would be from here to here. We could just take that line and go all the way there, right? That's fair. I'm just gonna post this in different ways so you guys can follow along and see why I'm breaking it up, right? So from here to here, would be that bullish divergence, right? Strong bullish divergence, and then Here it's 33.72, and here is 35, right? So we're going low to high on that RSI, right? So negative, less negative, and then less negative still. So we were creating a strong bullish divergence to this point here. We'd rallied, we rejected the 20, move lower, right? That's what we expect to see after rejection of the 20. On that movement down, we created more strong bullish divergence, now even against the RSI, and on that note, we're taking a bounce, which is good. Now, getting above that 20 was key. And from there, we're taking this really cool bounce for that 20. Before that, we don't have a lot of data here. High to low, high to low. Again, I cannot call anything bearish right now. High to low, or high, right? On the RSI. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. On that 4-hour, here to here we're coming lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. All right, so first divergence I'm looking at, it's strong bullish against the RSI, right? That's the first thing I notice when I get into this chart. Right here. Then next thing I have is we're going still slightly lower here, right? So we have strong bullish here, and now we have strong bullish against the MACD and also against the RSI, right? Look at that, and then look at this here. Did I anchor this to the 4-hour? Yeah, I did. Awesome. I'm awesome, bro. I did anchor. Yay. Getting that bounce. Now, what's happening here short term? Let's check this out, because this is where it's going to get a little bit iffy. Yeah, going higher and coming in lower, right? Again, high to low, right? And then low to high. We're creating that hidden bearish, and then here short term, look at this, right? This move here, and then this move here, right? Creating some of that hidden bearish. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Potential fraction to downside, move down, hit that 20 to get bounce. Now on this bounce, we're definitely creating some bearish divergence, strong against the RSI, right? I'll just go from here, and from here we're at 69.70, and here we did get to 70.18, so we weren't overbought slightly. But again, going there, right? Again, we're going higher. Sorry, I didn't want to do that line there. Against the RSI, strong bearish divergence. Move down again, right? Hit that 20, finding support, and now going higher. On this move, we're not creating bearish divergence because we're going from a high to a higher high, positive to more positive, and a high point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. That's okay. Now, low, higher low. Where are we at here? 2.14. 178, so it's less negative momentum, and then here we are at 49.29 and 49.27. I want to say we're doing some very, very slight hidden bullish, just technically we're coming lower here, just 0.02 lower, so almost nothing. So on that note, we're getting potential action to the upside, right? We're getting that rally, sitting at $575.63. Sorry if I didn't call the price for Maker. Is white bullish divergence? What white, bro? Sorry, Andrew. I'm just saying your comment. I'm not sure what white you're talking about. Let me know, and we'll check it out. Let's go to the 1 hour. What's happening here? High to low, high to low, high to low. So nothing bearish here. And here we're creating some strong bullish divergence. With potential action to the upside here. Coming in lower here, right? So again, high to low. White mat, sus, boat, white. Yeah. Coming in lower here. Again, some strong bullish. We don't have it against the RSI, unfortunately. Getting that bounce. Now, on that bounce, are we doing something? Yes, on the last part. Look at that, right? Starting to create some of that strong bearish divergence to up here, right? Coming low and then coming lower here. Against the MACD. Against the RSI, we don't have it. We're going higher where we're bought at 76.73 right now. We could come down, maybe retest that 20. That 20 sitting at $547 right now. How's the anti-hero Monero doing? We'll get Monero for sure. We're just looking at Maker right now. Then we have XTZ, and then we'll look at Monero. Andrew, man, sorry, dude, I didn't get what you were asking for that white stuff. I'm not sure if you were talking about when I was anchoring to here and to here, this white line here, or maybe it's actually light green. It is actually light red, but it's just very, very faint. It looks almost white, but it is technically a light green. It's a very light green. Um, yeah, I'm anchoring to here, bro. You usually want to the bottom stuff. Yeah, you usually just want to anchor to a green bar. You can anchor to like a slightly bottom bar. Dude, I don't have anything white, bro. Except for those bars. It's the only thing I can see white on the charts. Sorry about that, man. This is yellow. That's yellow. That's yellow. Mellow yellow. Let's go check out XTZ. We're gonna do the ecstasy coin. Woo-hoo. What's going on here? Right, we had the bearishness. We moved down slightly. Trying to recover. Maybe we're gonna go for that 20. We don't have anything bullish besides the strong bullish. This is hidden bearish. We're just getting stalling before the 20. Let's see if we hit that area. If we try to get above, we're gonna have immediate resistance at 618 at $2.32 right now. Sorry, $2.32. Yeah. So we're sitting at $2.24 right now. Neutral on that RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, we were looking for this hidden bullish, which we did get to here, right? That's fine. We just like change anchoring points, and with that move, we even developed it here against the RSI. So you know, boom, boom, right? Again, hidden bullish action to the outside. We're getting that rally happening, hitting the 20, rejecting, going for that 20 again, trying to get above it. That's fine. I'm not worried about this right now. Hey, Brixton, how's it going, man? Or Brixton, I'm not sure how to say your name, bro. But thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'll just call you Bry, I guess. Right on. So sitting neutral at 55.19 again. We still have the hidden bullish to play off. Let's go to the 1-hour chart here on XTZ Tezos, right? What's going on with Tezos here? Coming in lower, that's great, man. Look at that, right? We rejected the 20, which was fine. We're moving down yesterday. We did manage to go lower, right, on the rejection of the 20. We talked about that, right? We said when we reject the 20, we tend to move for lower areas of value. Look at that. We're moving lower. Negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Let me just send this back to the 1 daily, I guess. That's where it came from. No, the 4-hour. Oh, snaps. There we go. All right, look at this move here. From here to here, right? All right. Here, as we're coming down here, this part, we're going also making less of that, or going higher on the other side, right? So getting relative strength as you're going lower. So it means that the bearishness is dying out or it's weaker. High, low, positive, more positive, hidden bearish, right? Boom. This actually has a lot of stuff going on. It's just line and bouncing between lines, right? Even here against the RSI. Look at that. Boom, boom. Now what do we have? Coming in lower, failing drop. So low, higher, low, negative, less negative, positive. Low on the RSI to higher point. Now we don't have anything bearish. We don't have anything bullish. We're still running off the old strong bullish divergence. This one here, again, because we also have the bullishness on the 4-hour and on the daily, right? We're starting to create this hidden bearish, but you know, we're still running off a lot of bullishness here on the Tezos. Anyways, now that we did Tezos, we got a request from Monero. Monero, what's happening? Oh, did we create something here? Yeah, some hidden on the daily, right? From me to here. Let me just anchor this on the daily. Make sure it's just gonna be here for us. Sorry. There we go. Hit so many keys. I'm not sure if the mic's on. Yeah, it's on. Awesome. Can we look at NIM? Yes, we can look at NIM. After NIM, I'm going to do DVT. Right on. Again, going higher. Now, are we doing something here? High, higher, high. Yeah, I do believe we might be doing something. I'm not sure. Right, so from here to here, right, and from here to here, we're creating some of that bearish divergence. We from here to here, I guess, right? So yeah, some of that bearish divergence, strong action to downside, we drop. Now here, I'm gonna anchor from back here to up here, and I'm doing that because I'm gonna go from this high point to the new high point, which would be this one. We're creating that strong bearish divergence still, right? Here we wouldn't have it against RSI, right? We're going to a much higher point, which is fine. On the daily, sitting bought at 67.67 right now, and on that note, that's where I'm gonna leave it at right now. Even here, right? Even this point would be 70.02. This would be 69. So I could even move that point to there and still be going from a higher point to a lower point, then move that point from here to here, and that will still play out. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Oh, by the way, something I didn't mention. You can probably see it. It's going extremely high, extremely quick, and that gets exhausting. And it usually comes with crashes, so be careful with Monero. Low, lower, low. Yeah, we can do something here. Right on, so low, lower, low. That's great. Get rid of these on the daily. That's awesome. Right, and then negative, less negative, right? Some strong bullish divergence section to the outside within that rally. High, higher, high, positive, positive, high on the other side to a higher point. All great there, right? Now let's go here short term. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Overbought at 80.20, which is extremely high. We could be coming down here. Sitting at $111.46, which it's not doing too bad considering it was almost $75 right, a couple days ago on the 5th. 302, 284, nothing there. Again, holding support at the 20 and taking a bounce, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, on the 1 hour, check this one out here. We do have some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We're getting that movement up, which is great, right? Now, we do have a momentum island here, also one here. From here to here, we created some bearish, hidden bearish divergence for action to the downside. We did move down on that slightly. Regained the 20, went higher. So high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. That's great there, right? We did try to dip a little bit, but I don't think we dipped that much. At least, did we make some hidden bullish? We might have. 0.04, 0.069, yeah. Right, coming in like that, and then here at a support, we developed some hidden bullish, and that's probably why we're stalling here and managing to go slightly higher. Holding on to a 20, using a support, really just taking off from there. Nothing, we do have something bearish against the RSI. I was going to say nothing bearish against the MACD, and that's true. We don't have anything against the MACD. But against the RSI from here to here, again, we're creating some strong bearish divergence, potential moving down. Again, we're going too high too quick. Could be going for a breakdown, maybe to that 20. That 20 at $103. It could be about a dollar move to downside, right? On that note, again, last thing I have here, it's bearish on the 1 hour, bullish on the 4 hour, and nothing on the 4, bearish on the 4. And on the daily, we're starting to create this this hidden bearish, right? Or so you're just strong bearish, potential action to downside as well. Nimic. Let's look at NIM. The coin of NIMS. On the daily, we had the bullish. Failing to play. Again, that's fine. Not worried about that. We're getting to the same low. Same low again. It's just anchor there. Anchor there. Waiting for it to play out still, right? And from here we'll still be just going to there. So again, some of that strong bullish is still there on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, you have some of that strong bullish here. We did take a rally, fell at a 20. Drop lower again. Drop lower on rejection still. Try to rally. We've looked at this before. We hadn't done much, right? And we looked at this recently. from here to here, finally to here on the 27th. I might have missed this one when we did it yesterday. I might call it today because I just seen it. Man. From there to there, and then from here to here. All right, so we're creating some of that hidden bearish action to the downside. We're moving down on that, and that's really great. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Now negative, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to a lower point. Again, nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 40.39 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Coming in lower. What is this at? 41.38, 41.63. All right, so here we're creating some of that strong bullish against the RSI, which is fine. We try to rally, hit that 20 and rejecting it. Again, just been flirting with the 20 for the longest time, but then we had this bearishness back here. That's okay, really. Coming in lower now, less negative, right? Creating some of that strong bullish against the MACD, right? Oh, fuck, I forgot the anchor. I was doing so good throughout the stream, and I just forgot to anchor right now. Right on. Again, we're getting that bounce on right, and we're rejecting a 20 still. So, you know, it's just freaking failing to take off, bro. Nimic not playing good, right? Not doing too good. Oh, man, let's go. I'm not sure why I should tell you about this project, man. It's just failing to take off from the 20, just hugging it. Seems like we're having indecision, and that indecision is finally starting to break us to the downside. We are creating the bullish divergence, but it's just not taking off right now. It could be accumulating still. Sitting sold at 36.56 right now on the RSI on the 1 hour. Again, bearishness on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we have the bullish, but again, it's still not taking off, right? Look at that. Failure to take off. So, what about them? Let's go and check out DVT. What's happening with DVT, man? Oh, at 4.8 sats, bro. Why DVT? Let's get the MACD. Let's get this properly here. All right, let's get this on green so we can get it properly. There we go. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the side to a higher point. Nothing bearish. High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish short term. Let's go to the 4 hour. Lower, right? We had that strong bullish, which it's failing to play here. Look at that. I did strong bullish here. Coming in lower on there, so we don't have it there now. All right, negative, less negative, low, high. Again, nothing else bullish developing. It could be a failure to drop, and we could try to pump on that. Still yet to be determined, though, right? Let's go to the daily here. On the daily, creating that strong bullish divergence, right? Look at that, boom, boom, coming in lower, going from a low to a higher point here, and also low to a higher point on the RSI. So. Strong bullish action to the upside. That's what would be expected of this project. So it could start pumping, right? And if it starts pumping, it could suddenly go to 7. Going to 7 is not that big of a deal. You need to buy around 2.1 million DVTs to get there, which is around $2,000, I guess, of this. So yeah. On that note, that's gonna it for DVT, man. I'm gonna go check out. There's no other requests in the chat, so I want to do RSR real quick. Check the chat though, make sure there's no other requests. Nothing after a name, please. So if you guys want me to look at something, let me know on the chat. Note to self: donate spicy soup prior to the stream starting. Like my nose feels like it's still running from eating so much spice. Let's get RSR. Again, dropping lower. Taking a bounce finally, sitting at 10. 1.0 cents. Again, on this strong bullish divergence. Yeah, let's see if it manages to get to the 20. Again, taking a massive bidding on this project. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Dropped even to here. Still tracking on to there. And here to here, we have some strong bullish. So let's draw this line here. And again, not liking how this project's playing out, dude. I just want to exit. I think I should just exit this position, man. I already did horrible on this one. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, some strong bullish into here, right? So look at that, moving in lower still. 1 hour. Look at this, dude. Look at this. We have that strong bullish divergence, and we should not get it to just freaking rally, right? On that note, we even dropped. Do we drop the same level or now? Right, slightly higher, right? What is this opening at? We're closing 919, and this is at 92, right? Slightly higher. That's in higher also. Trying to get that rally above the 20, which is okay. Really not doing much. High to low, positive was positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Starting to create some hidden bearish. We might just break down again here on this project again. It's just been a bad performer, right? Heavily bad performer, at least for me. On that note, I think it's a massive hit. The hugest hit I've taken on crypto lately. And it was just for $100, so it's not that bad. Uno, dude, not a gaming show. Do you want to play Uno, Jake? Take 4. Reversal. Skip. +2. I know what you're talking about. Dude, I'm just messing around. Unobtainium market cap 13 million, sitting at $66, and going 1.88% up. Dude, again, you know, not doing too good lately. Just been dropping since August 31st, right? It's been a massive moving down. Dude. Where can we look at this? I cannot look any of these exchanges. I don't think have good graphs to look at, so I'm not gonna be able to chart it properly. Most of the volume is in Altly, as again, you know, against Bitcoin, right? So Uno not doing that good. How's the other project that you had the other day? 42 coin. We'll check that one out. That one's doing good, right? 42 coin at 38,147. Oh, dude, this project's also going down quite a bit. I mean, maintaining it, but going down quite a bit since we last looked at it. Last time we looked at it, it was probably somewhere around here, right? Like, yeah, 86,000, right? And then here it took another bounce to 88, and now at 36. I think we even looked at it somewhere around here, right? Maybe, I'm not sure. Make it daily because it's showing up a weird. When we looked at it, it was around 40s, right? And then right now it's sitting at 38, so about $10,000 down, I would say, right? At least. When did we look at it last? You guys remember that? This is September, so I'm pretty sure we looked at it around September. It's going massively down. Just want to see where Hive's at. 145. All right, man. Get your honey. Dude, what else? What else? Let's see if we can get $1,000. Jake, how's your thing coming along? Your referrals, dude. How many are you at right now? Cause you were like already at like 1,000, right? You were gonna make so much more. Neo. Yeah, we'll look at Neo. Mr. Anderson. Check out Neo, man. Neo to the Buckaroo, hitting a resistance. The 618, right? Look at that, beautiful. Sitting right now at 19.74. We have that area at 19.75, so ascend below. Almost spot on, right? We opened there, we moved down below that 618, which is okay. If we're rejected, get up. If we fail to get above this area again, right, we're definitely gonna try to maybe retest that 786, or not retest, but go for that 786. We should start retracing now. I don't know how the scams work. I haven't put any money in it, so you might not get anything. Yeah, I know, dude. They were like saying, "Give us an Ethereum, we'll send you $1,000." It starts sounding a little bit more like a scam. I do hope that they pay out the $1,000, right? That would be great if they ever launch their project, which is also another whole problem of the airdrops, right? They just want to generate attention, maybe pre-sell some stuff, and then they never really launch the project, and that's a problem, right? I had that happen to me with a couple of other projects. They just never launched. So the airdrops or the work you have done, they never pays off. So I mean, it's not like super extensive work, and it seems like it's very little work. Follow their group, follow their other group in Telegram, and then just like them and follow them on Twitter, and that's it. Put your wallet, put your Twitter handle, and that's it, right? I mean, it's a little bit weird, but anyways, let's see. What are we doing here? Are we doing something? Doubt it. Yep. Low, negative, less negative. We have something against the RSI now. Finally, yesterday we made something happen here, I think. On Neo. Right, look at that. Going higher and coming in lower. Some of that hidden bullish divergence, right? On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. Again, coming in lower, negative, right? Less negative as we're going down, so when this move like this, we're going from here to here, right? They were coming lower still. Getting a bounce, sitting at 45.90. So again, on this, action to the outside, right? Getting and rejecting that 618. We actually hit the 20 on the 4 hour, and we rejected that. Right, so not too bad for this project. Forget the anchor. Again, getting that bounce on the strong bullish divergence, right? We're not doing anything bearish. High to a negative. So high, lower, high, positive to negative. High on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 46.02. So we could keep on rallying, right? Again, maybe get another go at the 20 on Neo. Anyways, Neo sitting at 19 bucks and 67 cents. Are we doing something here? Yes, we are. All right, look at that. Beautiful. This candle just closed at 1974, right? Which again, ascend below where we're supposed to be at. We're going higher like that, right? So creating that hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Right here, we'll also have that move. And sitting neutral 59.60, right? Again, maybe move down on this. Maybe go for that 20, right? Again, we rejected 20. Now we can go for the 20 in the 1 hour to look for it as support. Okay, on the 4 hour, rejected the 20, rejected 618. Waiting for it to play out a little bit more. 4 hour. I'm on the 4 hour right now, dude. Right, we had the strong bullish. Got to 20, rejected the 618. The 1 hour, though, is showing us some bearish divergence, right, for moving to a downside. So again, on the 1 hour, we could come down and hit this area here. We need to figure out where we want to go, though, right? Again, thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. I'm not sure how many of you have seen this channel before, but if you're new, hit that like. Zoom out in the 4 hour? Yeah, I'll zoom out in the 4 hour, bro. We will zoom out on the 4 hour. Yes. Oh. What do we want me to look at out here, man? Had the variations move down. Low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side. Nothing bullish there. 4 hour big boy, double bottom. Yeah, maybe, dude. Yeah. You know, here it's at 18.63 and this is at 18.81. Yeah, we're within the dollar. We're just certainly, I think, within a 1% even. Right, so from here. Yeah, 1.15%. Oh, sorry, let me anchor to that area there properly. Here we go. Yeah, within 1% more or less. So, yeah. Call it. We could call it double bottom. Right, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Look, I'll even put your name here, bro. We'll call it the sultry double bottom, right? Just so we know you called it. Potential double bottom, right? We'll see if it plays out, bro, right? No breeze to develop more, right? So we'll just give it more room. Look, mommy, I'm on YouTube now. Yeah, dude, you're YouTube famous now. Yay! Everyone can see you in the chat, by the way. Yeah, bro. That's it. Right on, dude. G'day, dude. Yeah, it could be a double bottom, right? Nothing wrong against that. By the way, if you want me to zoom out on the charts, just let me know, right? Just like Sotri did. I know sometimes I tend to look into the charts and zoom in a lot, so just let me know, and I have no problem with zooming out and checking out things in a larger picture. Sometimes I forget to zoom out, and I just concentrate on what's happening short term. Because the market lately has been driven by the short term moves, and not so much the long term moves. But yeah, dude, that zoom out definitely helps to see that other bottom there, right? Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Anyone else want to do something else? Something like RSI and MACD. You assume double bottom like I do. RSI and MACD, bullish divergence. Yeah, I mean, in theory, I mean, this is going higher, right? So I cannot give you that area on the MACD, but or the RSI. But if this was just going sideways, right, coming in a little bit lower on the price, hitting it spot on, I could definitely be giving it some bullish divergence there, right? Some medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. But yeah, ADA. Yeah, we haven't looked at ADA, bro. We'll look at ADA. Yeah. I did, Sotri, I didn't get what you meant with if I assume double bottom like you assume, like you do RSI and MACD, bullish divergence. I'm not sure, dude. I know you deleted it. It's still showing up here on the other chat because I cannot delete it from the other chat. Once it's there forever. So I'm not sure what you were meaning by that. So let me know on the Discord what you meant, because I didn't quite catch what the comment was supposed to mean. Let me go and check out at Cardano. Call Cardenas. Let's just get that name out. I cannot put it on top of that. Cardenas. There we go. What are we doing with Cardenas? Let's go to the daily. Daily Cardenas. I'm gonna delete that, dude. It's gonna mess up my chart. We're going higher. Yay, we're going higher. Here we're also going higher, and here we're also going higher. Again, creating that hidden bearish. Still trading between that 50 and that 382. That's fine. Trying to get back to that 382 again at 11.3 cents. Right now, sitting at 10.3 cents. So we got like 1 whole cent to go. Woo! Neutral at 56 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I reacted because you're iffy on if it's way too much assumptions. All right, that's cool. Again, on the 4 hour, right? We had this hidden bullish price action to the upside, took that rally, hitting neutral still at 59.93 on the RSI, almost heading to that bot area. Had a low, positive to negative, high to low again. Nothing wrong on the price right now, nothing bearish. Volky YT, can I live trade? Yeah. I just don't do it on the stream. You want to get on a trade with me while I do live trading? Would that be possible? No. I don't like to trade when I'm online. Usually I don't take many positions, dude, right? I take positions when I'm off the air. Here, I don't want it to be shown as like I'm trying to influence the market, right? Although I know I don't have that many followers, but many YouTubers or many people that do live trading, what they end up doing is they take a live trade and they get a lot of people that are following them to take that same trade. They make a coin pump, then they exit it, right? And then they inadvertently make all this pump and dumps. So I don't like to be part of that, so I don't do the live trading. But thank you for asking, bro. I mean, I wouldn't mind if you could join the Discord and you tell me about a trade you want to make. I can like try to help you out with it. I might not take that same position with you, but you know, I can help you out. Like I've helped other people out on YouTube, right? Particularly with the whole Uniswap. People were asking me on the Discord what was going to happen. There's plenty of people here that can tell you how accurate my calls were on Uniswap when they were happening. I really don't have any problem with like telling you what's going to happen or where the market could go, right? And we had a lot of discussions on Uniswap on the Discord, followed by a lot of charts, right? Good charts, by the way. And you can check it out there, man. You can join some Discord. We can talk about the trades. I have no problem on like telling you what I'm seeing at the time that you ask me something, whether or not it might be a good exit point or not. Look, if it's iffy, I'll tell you it's iffy. If it's good entry, I'll tell you it's a good entry. But in the end, I cannot, you cannot take this as trading advice because I'm not a financial advisor and I don't want to get into any sort of trouble by you guys doing that, right? So that's why it's also on the description that I'm not a financial advisor and that you should not trade based on what you see on this channel, right? I can just give you some ideas, right? That's why I point you to the upside or the downside. And sometimes I can tell you where the market's going to go. I've talked about my trades here, my entry points, where my exit points are going to be. And I have no problem with that. I even shown some of the data that I have, particularly in DVT, like how I played some entries and some exits. But I'm not going to do live trading on the stream. I don't mind doing it. I just don't like doing it for other reasons, right? I even talked about my bad trades, dude. Look, I took a massive bidding on RSR, and everyone knows that here, dude. I'm down. I didn't put that much on RSR. I put in $100, but I'm down over 60% on RSR. I have no problem just showing that I also mess up, right? Because I also mess up sometimes. There, I misread the market completely. I thought it was going to go higher. I thought there were other news coming out that haven't come out. And I just took a massive beating there. And that's fine. I'm fine with that, right? I took a bad call. But usually the rest of my calls tend to be pretty accurate. So if you just want to follow us because of that, thank you, Volky YT. I don't mind it. And thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. So treat my logic being if I treat it as a double bottom, it's an equal bottom on price, but higher low on this. Yeah, I know, dude. I know what you're going with, Sotri. I mean, to a double bottom, you can be off to a certain extent. But on divergences, you want to kind of be more accurate, right? So you want to be more spot on. Like if you're within $1 or within a couple cents, you should be fine. Again, it's just one of those things that you like gotta decide how much you want to risk it. But look, I'll see if I can find this real quick so I can tell you guys, and then I'll finish Cardano real quick. But I just want to show you something. Valky, all right, man. Thanks. I'll join the Discord then. You're new to trading. I'll get there soon. Yeah, bro. No worries, man. I'm super helpful in the Discord. Like, you can ask anyone. If I'm online and I'm connected, I'll answer everything. Sometimes I'm offline and I'm not in the house. I cannot do the charts. But I do tend to reply as quick as I can. And if, as soon as I get to the house and have my computer with me, I'll like put a slap on the chart and do whatever I can, right? But and we can discuss your ideas there as well, right? Trying to find something here, right? I can't find it right now. Anyways, quick second, where I put it? It's here. I found it now. Let me see if I can open this and show you in a second. It's taking a bit for it to open. I can't remember if I think it's in this book. Right, look, this is if you guys can get this book, that's awesome. It's called it's by Thomas Volkowski. It's an encyclopedia of chart patterns. It talks about double bottoms. This is an Adam and Adam double bottom that I'm looking at right now, right? It tells you like performance and rank. So on a bull market, 10 out of 23 times. On a bear market, 10 out of 19 times, right? Break-even failure, 5%, 7% on the bear market, right? It gives you some information. Later on, you can gauge how much off you can be, right? It does tell you a little bit more information on it. Sometimes it even tells you like what percentage is acceptable. I would tell you that the closer you are to a textbook double bottom, the better you'll play. The closer you are to the same value, the better you'll play. But look, maximum price rise 5%. It'll be failure rates, right? So we're talking about a 5% break even, 11 to 5%, right, in the bear market. So it'll give you the percentages it will play out. Sometimes it even tells you the percentage by the time you will recover, right? And sometimes it even tells you like how much off you can be between one and the other, right? And this is Adam and Adam, right? You have your confirmation line, you break, right? And then you're basically you developed another trend line here to go up, right? So this was like a cup and handle kind of thing, right? Like here's the cup, here's the handle. I don't tend to look for those patterns that much, like cup and handles and things like that. I do look for some patterns, but it's okay. But this book is a really, really good resource, right? And it tells you like percentage meeting price target out of like he analyzed like thousands and thousands of charts, so he put a lot of data in, and change after your trend ends, right? So after your trend, you'll basically drop 33% in a bull market and 35% in a bear market. Again, this one performance rank 8 out of 23 and then 3 out of 19, so it's a much better, right? If you have like an Adam and Eve double bottom, it'll just play much better. Volume trend is downwards, right? Because we're talking about that, and basically revert it because we're talking about double bottoms. Now you have the same but are opposites, right? When you go to the double tops, and again, it has so much information, bro, and it's so good, right? Anyways, yeah, you guys can find this book or message me, and I'll like send it to you or something, and you can check it out. I mean, there's so much information I don't have it all in my head. I just know where to find it because I've read them. And that's why I know which book I should go to and look for stuff. But yeah, you can be off to a certain percentage, right? You should look for head and shoulders. If you're within a 3 to 5% range from one shoulder to the other shoulder, after the head, you're good. On a double bottom, I really usually just want to see the double bottom hit the same price and rejecting, right? That to me is the best indicator. Because that means that you're finding support at that line. When you're off a little bit, It could still play out, but you don't have your divergence, right? If you have that straight double bottom, you know you have that divergence. Really on, you're really on top of that divergence, right? Anyways, yeah, no worries, Sultry. Sultry, are you on the Discord? If you're on the Discord, I'm gonna post that on resources. It's not gonna let me post it in the resources. What did it say? Your files are too powerful. I don't have it in parts. I'll see how we can. I'll get that to you somehow. Anyways, ADA again, hitting bullish, taking that rise. That's great. Getting over the 20, which is good. Neutral at 59.54 on their side. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour bearish divergence. Bullish divergence, tried rally, hitting bearish. We talked about that. Broke down again. We went lower on rejecting the 20. We were live here last night. Right here. Right. We talked about going lower. We did go lower. That's fine. Created that new low. Yay. What to do, right? We're creating some strong bullish divergence still. That's what we called for, right? Breaking lower. Creating strong bullish divergence. Going on a rally. Yay. Look at that. Awesome, right? Against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're clear. Now we're trying to rally again, right? So, look high. Here, I wouldn't have minded calling a double top here from here to here. But again, you usually want to see double tops after an uptrend, right? So you see this trend going up. You may be down a little bit. Then you try to rally here again. Maybe you get to this area, and then you double top, right? So that's where I would be looking for a double top. If you find it in between the lines, right, you wouldn't. I would be looking here for a double bottom potential, which we didn't get on the account that we had supported 20. But again, you know, if you wanted to look for a double top, again, we'd look for similar areas. Again, what is this at? We opened at 10.12, and here we closed at 10.13, so slightly higher even, right? High, positive, more positive, high, there's a 2 higher point. High, higher, higher still, and higher still. So neutral at, bought at 62.45. I'm not seeing anything bearish right now, right? Breaking down, it's okay. High to low, overbought to bought. And then here, maybe? I'm not sure. But we do have these islands here, and I don't want to ignore them. Although they're tiny, we've used them before for divergence. I just don't want to pick and choose, right? So I don't want to say, oh, from here, right? We're going from 495 all the way to, what is this? 528, right? I'm calling the digits after the zeros, by the way. So 528 and then 495. So we're definitely going higher, and here we're coming lower. We're creating that bearish divergence. No, dude, we do have these islands here. We use them for analysis. Now we got to respect them, right? We can't skip them over them. At least I don't want to skip over them. You can, if you want to. We could be getting some pullback, right? Impulse up. We got to consolidate a little bit before we try to rally again. On that new rally that we might create some bearish divergence and then break down from there. But that'll be about it, though, right? Yep. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. And if you're new to the channel again, like I always say, definitely subscribe. You can like it here. It's a really cool channel. And you can ask for stuff live, right? You can request coins. We'll check them out. You can challenge my ideas. That's fine. You can bring your ideas as well. We can look at them, right? We look at everything. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Right? Awesome. On that note, let's keep the show rolling, right? What do you guys want to look at? Yep. Thank you, Jake, for the thumbs up, man. Much appreciated. Just any takers and requests? While some requests come up, I'm just going to look at regular markets. We haven't looked at gold and silver yet. We haven't looked at stocks. So I'll start doing those real quick. Well, you guys come up with new ideas. Anyways, gold recovering on the strong bullish. Felt to go higher, taking a breather right now. Sitting at 1,891, trying to hit for that 1,822. Again, the previous all-time high. We know the new all-time high is up here near that 2080. So we're higher here, and that's fine. Again, trying to recover. Silver, also trying to recover on hidden bullish here. Hidden bullish, even against the RSI, which is okay. Recovering, heading for that 1618 retrace, right? So 161.8% of the way. Failing, rejecting a little bit. Again, maybe taking a breather before we try to run again. Sitting at $23.53 per troy ounce. You might want to ask, what's the difference between a troy ounce and an ounce? Yes, there is a difference. They actually weigh different. And gold and silver are based on troy ounces. It's very close though. It's not like hugely different. Let's see, one troy ounce is 1.09 ounces, so almost 10% more, right? 9% more for sure. So yeah, there is a difference between troy ounces and ounces. And gold and silver is usually quoted on troy ounces, just so you guys know. Anyways, high to low, positive, high on the other side to lower point, neutral right now at yeah. The Dow gained 329 points, getting above the 20, which is okay. Running on the bullish divergence, that's fine. Just we rejected 20, you know, nothing wrong with that. We got another go, we got above it, that's fine. Right now, it's still gaining 270 points on the Dow Live, going higher still, which is okay, really. Nothing bearish yet. High to low, right? High to low, positive, high on the other side to a lower point. All things there are good. Let's go and check out the S&P. S&P gaining 27 points. Trying to get above that 20 still. So interesting. Can we check out Ucoil? Yeah, we can check out Ucoil. Do you know what the ticker for that is? Oh, UK Oil. Yeah, we're going to check out UK Oil. I guess you're saying UK Oil, right? It's just all together. All together now. Well, yeah, we'll check it out when I get to oil. London. S&P again. Going up, getting above the 20. We had the strong bullish divergence. That's fine. London. Rejecting. Well, we got to the 20. Using that support, try to bounce a little bit. That's okay. We got pulled back, which is not the best. Again, last thing we have is bearish. Wait for it to develop a little bit more. Nikkei down 353 points. Got above the 20. We failed to go higher still, right? So the last thing we have is a bullish. We pull back. That's okay. Below the 20. Neutral on their side. We could try to get another go to get above the 20 tomorrow. We'll check it out. Toronto down 90 points. Rejecting the 20. Not too good there, right? Again, neutral at 46.51 on the RSI. Let's go with this one. Right on. All right. So, what is West Texas doing? West Texas managed to gain a little bit yesterday. Still a little bit more. The market's closed already, right? Yeah. No, market open. So this is live. Right on. So again, you know, we're looking for divergence. We did pull back a little bit. We still have this bearish divergence. Move down. Managed to hold on to a 20. Trying to go higher again. Neutral at 50.47 on there, so we don't have anything else developing right now. Waiting for it to really determine what it wants to do. Look how long it took us for us to do something after that rise, right? So from here to here, we're just like more or less sideways motion. Now finally rising, but very slowly right now. So I would just call that sideways motion because we didn't do much for the longest time. US Brent, again, we had the bearish divergence, move down, trying to recover, right? Same like West Texas, which is okay. We'll check out UK Oil. That's Brent though, right? But we'll check it out as UK though. We might get a slightly different chart, I guess. I think we're gonna be looking at the same stuff, but you know, we always look at Brent oil. Just 1 second. I'm trying to like get it to the same place that the other oils I have on the list. UK oil again. Brent crude. Where is it at? $42.24. Where's this one at? $42.24. So we're looking at the same chart, right? That's why they look similar. So again, by looking at this, we're by definition looking at this. So I'm not gonna redraw it. We already have it here. We already looked at it. I hope that works for you, Sotri. All right. Again, this one says US dollar to Brent, and this is just like Brent oil, and I just found it as UK oil, right? I'll show you that. Right, UK oil. This is showing Brent, so that's fine, right? There we go. Awesome, bro. Hope that works for you guys. No, it's Brent. That's it. Let's look at DXY, dude. We haven't looked at the dollar index, right? Huh, what do we call last thing on daily? We'll just bumped up a little bit more. We had that hidden bearish and moved us down, right? At least to the 20. Yay, we're at support now. Near that support. Are we going to bounce? Still yet to be determined. We don't have anything bullish yet. Again, you know, what's happening with this in the monthly? How's this month coming along? It's just starting, right? October's starting. We're losing. Yesterday, last month, we bullishly engulfed the previous month. Now, don't get me wrong. That is a good sign. Bullish engulfing candles usually come with more price action to the upside. We're starting the month on October on a red, which is okay. We can look at historical stuff. When is October's? Let's look at October's. This October was red, right? But that's fine. Let's look at the previous October. This October was green. So again, it's not going to be an indicator. Sometimes we can look for trends, right? See if October's a red or something like that. Getting too many reds in October's would usually imply that October is tend to be red. But right now, what you see, we don't have anything like that. But every time we bullishly engulfed something, right? Like here, bullish engulfing this candle, taking off. Bullish engulfing, right? Taking off. Bullish engulfing. Here, bullish engulfing slightly, I would say. Here it dropped 47. Here it gained 66, right? So gaining more. Again, taking off. Bullish engulfing, taking off, right? Here we haven't. Bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Try to recover, right? And then drop. Bullish engulfing. Let's see if we take off from there, right? Just to get your use. That's okay. No worries, bro. What else do you guys want to look at? Let me know if you guys want to look at something else. I need to stretch my back a bit, man. It was starting to like hurt. I need to get like a proper chair for my office, dude. I'm using a wooden chair, like the ones that are from the kitchen. Oh, dude, so it's like a pain in the butt to be sitting here all day, dude. Like I said, here's where I work. I think about just buying a proper office chair, I think. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So dude, no requests, really? I'm not even sure how many people we have live. Yikes! Why are you saying yikes, Steve? Just wondering, right? How I look at Tron, you assume it must have gone up or gone down a bit after that Verge article. No, I haven't looked at Tron. We're gonna look at TRX. Let's go Tron, bro. Wood chair? Yeah, dude, it's a wooden chair. Like a proper dining table chair, right? Look at that. It's there, bro. So really, like, I'm not even like touching the back of the chair most of the time. I really just need to get like a better chair for here, otherwise my back's gonna start killing me. TRX. Let's TRX the shit out of this, man. What was it like? What was it like? P9? No, P90 was one of those. There was this like exercise thing that came out that used to be like super popular. That sounds like TRX, right? I can't remember what the name is for that. Like one of those things where you hang like ropes and then yeah, it is a TRX. Ha, ha! I knew it sounded like something like that. Game with Nas. What's up? What's up? What's up, dude? What is up, man? How many what's ups that is? That's 3, man. Something must be up if it's 3 what's ups. Of what we looked, not a lot, dude. Right? Some stuff is just moving sideways. Peloton? What is Peloton, dude? No, dude. TRX. TRX was a workout stuff, right? It was this one, the TRX. The TRX workout, right? all this stuff. All right. You used to do your exercises by like hanging it somewhere, and you like just whatever. But that was the TRX, dude. That's why I remember it looked like it sounded like something from exercise. I just remember when that you got Bitcoin. Awesome, bro. When did you get Bitcoin? Today? Did you just get into crypto? This song is super sad. Let's play something else, dude. We'll go with this one. Tron. Dude, it's not moving much, right? So, you said something about the Birch article. Yeah, you got it 3 years ago. All right, man, that's awesome. Thanks for subscribing, Gaming with Nas. Thanks for being here, man. You're subscriber 151. That's awesome. Thank you for that awesome sub, bro. You're the 151 or 152. It's not refreshing right now, the number of subs that I have. These chairs are legit. Which ones, man? The one you wrote? I'm not sure. Sending it to me on the Discord, man. Volky helped into the server. Awesome. Thank you, Volky, for being here. Alright, so, dudes, who talked about Tron? Was it Sotri? Steve? I'm not sure. Someone asked about Tron. Sotri asked about Tron. Yeah, that's it. Tron, I'm not seeing it go down much on the daily, right? Look at that. It's going down a little bit, but not too much. So I'm not sure why you're saying that's going there. Pro Gamer. Well, you should look into that, man. You should get a doctor to look into that. Go to our urologist. He might give you some, like, test. Like, finger test. You might have something on your prostate, bro. Really. This shouldn't be hurting, dude. Again, we have that bullish divergence action to the upside, going up, hitting that 20, rejecting. Again, we're not going down. I don't think because of the article, we just rejected the 20, right? Let's not. Dude, yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, right? It's awesome to have you all here. Right on. So again, we had the bullish, we rallied, hit the 20, rejected. I'm not seeing anything off of that, dude. Really. Sitting at 2 cents, 2.63 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bullish, went up, right? We called this one out a couple days ago, at least on the 29th, so yesterday. We rallied on that, hit the 20, and rejected. So again, I'm not looking at anything bearish here, right? But reaction of the 20 is fine. We rejected once. Looks like we're rejecting 2 times. High to low, high to low. Again, nothing there. I'm looking at the 1 hour, but I'm not seeing anything off with TRX right now, right? We're waiting for the move up. Here we're failing to drop. I rejected the 20, failing to dump. Could be trying to go higher, push a little bit higher still. So nothing on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You haven't looked at Tron, just assumed because of the article we read, but it seems like people didn't care much. Dude, yeah, I'm not sure, dude. Tron, does it really surprise you if something comes written about Tron that it's, like, off? Really, We're like thinking about Trump not paying taxes for 11 years, and when he does, it's $750. Is he giving money to charity? Like, if he's able to get discounts because he has money, and he's like giving stuff to, like, benefiting other people, I don't have anything to say on that. A lot of people complain because rich people get tax breaks. Rich people get tax breaks because they contribute more to society. They're contributing with jobs. So they're not job takers, they're job givers. So they're helping the government keep people employed, keep people off the streets, and then still, so they don't have to pay so many taxes on what they make, they end up giving to society. He's a corrupt person. Yeah, that wasn't the question. Did you ask, what do I think about him not paying taxes? If he can find a legal way to get around that because he's smart enough or his accountants are smart enough to do that, he's playing the system, It was written, so he's just taking advantage of that. He was supposed to pay more. Dude, I don't know how much he was supposed to pay, dude. I haven't looked at these taxes. I haven't looked at these taxes, man, so I cannot give you a proper assessment of that, right? So I'm just going with what I can tell you about, like, other people that make a lot of money, that help out, and they're, let's say, what do we call it? Philanthropist, right? We'll call it that. Joe Biden literally wore a wig during the debate. Dude, I didn't see the debate last night. I haven't even read it. I haven't even seen the replay, dude. I want to see it. I want to. Dude, I haven't been really into politics this time. Mainly because I think that's the last time the channel got banned on YouTube. I don't think it was because I was talking about crypto. It's because I was talking about politics. So I try to steer away from politics. You're not political, just Trump corrupted and bad president. Dude, if you don't like it, don't vote for him. Vote for someone else. That's what I can tell you, pro gamer. Get enough people like-minded like you. That's why it's a democracy. Vote for someone else, right? You don't like the other political candidate? Too bad. Vote for an independent candidate that might run, even though he's not going to get it. But at least it's better than your vote just being forfeited. Sotra saying, nah, it didn't surprise me, but Justin Sun being okay with the videos of murder in Candyvan fans and slapping his employees. Yeah, I don't care about that guy, really. He's shady as hell, dude. We've already established that on this channel. So that's why I don't like Tron. Steve S. I don't care if they get him, they'll get him. If not, they won't. Me caring won't do much. You didn't miss anything. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, an earpiece and a mic in his leave. Yeah, he had an earpiece on the last debate, I think, as well. And there are a lot of people giving him shit. Look, he maybe doesn't hear well. Someone has to feed him the answer. It's okay. It wouldn't be anything wrong if he just becomes a... look, there's presidents that are not presidents, right? They're puppets in office. They're going to be pushing the political agenda of the party or pushing the political agenda of someone else. There's been plenty of those all over the world. It's not the beginning, it's not the end. If Joe Biden wins and he becomes one of those presidents that doesn't do much on his own, but he's pushing other people's agenda, he'll be pushing the political party's agenda at least. Pro gamer saying I have loop ring. All right, I'm not sure what that is, but that's cool. Teslas go up. Well, okay, yeah, dude, I'm not sure that's gonna help it. Poke it with a stick, man. You might have a better chance, Steve. So I'll try to watch the debate. I feel sorry for Americans now. Yeah, dude, no comments on the debate. I didn't see it, so. All right, low, high, right? Negative, less negative. Low, higher, higher on their side. Negative, positive, so nothing there. What can we do here? Let's see, high, higher, high, positive, high on their side to a higher point on their side. All to here is good. Now, high, low, high, right? And higher, right? We do have something here. Boom, 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 boom. From here to here again, so it's just going to be very, very small, dude. This is the closing. It opened at 0.26 or 0.0265, and here 0.0265, 0.026517, 0.026509. Again, we could just do look. If you wanted to do sideways here, again, here we're going to a fraction, like to the last two digits of a five or of a 0.5 digit number, right? So actually 6 digits, dude. So just what changes from here to here is that 0.000017 to that 0.000009. So just set sideways motion, right? For this, I would allow, if someone wants to say, dude, it's just going sideways. Yeah, it is. And we're coming in lower, and creating bearish divergence there. And if you don't want to say it's going higher, and you want to say it's going lower, that's fine. You could say, oh, it's high to low. Then you're going from low to high, and you're creating hidden bearish. Either way, you're creating some sort of bearish divergence. It's not going to be an argument. I would just feel more comfortable saying it's just going sideways. And, you're creating bearish divergence that way. Again, there's both ways to look at it, right? And both are fine with me. Really, look at that. Sideways. Oh, Loopring is in crypto? Dude, I haven't heard about that one. That's okay. I never heard about the project, dude. It's okay, there's like thousands of projects. Like cryptocurrency, 7,254. Really, it wouldn't surprise me if there's a crypto called, something weird. I'll look it up here though. See if it shows up, dude. I'm not even sure. Why the hell is it not letting me type, dude? Just there we go. Loopring, here we go. I clicked it. Why is it not taking me there? Dude, CoinMarketCap has been super weird last couple days. Loop ring at 21 cents, 21.5 cents. That's okay, dude. Market cap, $246,291,152. Volume, $60,568,730. Circulating supply, 1,143,144,716 LRCs. And the total supply, 1,344,513,897 LRCs. Wow. All right. Let's see where this is trading. Coinbase Pro. All right. So I'm going to find something here on this LRC. I was worried that I was gonna find it here, but yeah, it is. There's lots of information. Yay. Dude, we'll go with Coinbase. See how the data's there on the day. Well, yeah, we have good bars. Let's go to daily. All right. So it just came out, dude. It got listed recently. So it got listed on the 15th of September. That's fine. It's just going down since. Not the lowest low. We made a lower low before we took a bounce, right? Slightly higher. Nothing on the daily to look at. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right on. Low, lower, low, negative. Slightly more negative here, and also coming lower, so nothing bullish there. 290, 30, right? So slightly more negative. All right, cool. Low, high, negative, less negative. All right, low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high. That's fine. Dude, 39.80, 39.07. I can work with this one. No, coming in lower and lower also. That's fine. Nothing bullish, dude. Are we doing something bearish? Let's see. 156, 151. Right, so still slightly less as you're coming in higher. So yeah, definitely something bearish, right? Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? Look at that. Boom, boom. Right, so action to downside. That's where we're moving down. Great. We explained why we're moving down. We tried to rally, hit that 20, rejected, so we're moving to lower value, or lower areas value. Nothing on the divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour, though. We might have something there. You have 10,000 LRC. That's cool, bro. I'm not sure, like, when do you get into it? That will be my question. You got like $2,000 worth of it if you get in right now. If you get in cheaper, then yeah, it would make sense. I'm not sure what price you get in to get 10,000 of this project. I just hope you can get up here at the all-time highs. Previous, or at least all-time highs on this chart. Let's check this one out here. We have some strong bullish divergence. No, we don't. We're going higher. Less. Snappy. Coming lower. All right, cool. So short term, we have some strong bullish divergence from in here. Again, we don't care about the past, it's history. We can just look at it to get the flow of the project. I really don't think it's going to do much if I don't look at it. I'm going to say young project, so I'm not going to get a lot of flow here. We had some bearish divergence, strong action to downside, right? I'm just justifying why it moved down and why it moved up with the technicals. Or why it's trying to rally here with the technicals. Again, that rally it's getting is not super strong right now. And even from in here, it's creating some hidden bearish. At least from in here. And from here to here, right, going slightly higher. Some hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside coming in for LRC. At least continuation, and probably why we're failing to take off from that 20. Again, we seem to be supported by the 20, which is okay, so long as we stay above the 20. As soon as we break below, we could be looking for a lower area of value, making negative momentum, could maybe less of it, right? So low negative to less negative as we're coming lower on the price, and maybe higher on the other side, creating strong bullish once more. But right now, it's really not doing much besides that hidden bearish. And again, the hidden bearish is going to get us to 20 to retest. Always we retest. If we manage to hold support, we could be trying to go on a rally. But if we held the support, again, we could be going lower. Rich Satoshi, how's it going, bro? Hello, dude. How's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do and you haven't done it yet, hit that like, that button, that sub, right? And if you're new, definitely hit that sub. You're going to love it here, I guess. And if not, you can always unsubscribe. And it's free, right? No cancellation problems, right? It's not like cable companies where you call and it takes forever to cancel. Here, just hit that unsubscribe if you don't like it. But if you like it, subscribe. Who cares? I care. YouTube cares. That's why it helps. Hit that like. You know, YouTube loves them likes. He likes to know you like the content. That way it promotes my content and more people hear about me, which is really cool in the end, right? Anyways, if you enjoy the channel for real, sub. Join us on the Discord for chats and stuff. The best ergonomic office chairs you were looking for. Thanks, dude. Thanks, Gallus. I'll check that out. So here you go, ladies. Refuel. EDG will make a lot of you multimillionaires. We're watching the stream and you have been blast on me. Is it Polka Dot is the future? Alright, cool. We'll check out Dot. I'm not sure if we looked at Dot before. Dot. Wasn't that one of the Animaniacs characters, right? Dot. Wasn't she like the female Animaniac? Oh, dude, by the way, I heard they're going to come back with Animaniacs, dude. That was a really good cartoon. That's where, like, Pink and the Brain came from, right? So, yeah, it's going to be a really good cartoon. What are we going to do tonight, Pinky? Haha, same thing we do. Sorry, what are we going to do tonight, Brain? Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to dominate the world. Or something like that. I can't remember the lines. Who cares? I do. Nuts. Low, negative, more negative, right? That's fine. So, nothing bullish yet. At least on the daily. Not making all-time lows, which is fine. Pumped since opening, you know, sitting more or less midway. Starting to make it more, well, I mean, I'm not sure if I want to call this a triangle yet, but, you know, at least we're going here. And we are falling wedge right now. Yay! We're falling wedge. Let's see how this plays out. Falling wedges tend to break to the upside. So you see, we do look at patterns sometimes when one shows up like this. Otherwise, I'm not hunting for patterns. Usually hunting for divergence, which is a better indicator, and then patterns just help supplement that. If you get divergence with patterns, it's much stronger, right? Double tops, all bottoms, dojis, or candlestick patterns, or just regular chart patterns in general. Let's go here. Alright, so we looked at that before. Alright, so bearish divergence, that's the last thing we looked at. On September 21st, on that we broke down, which is okay. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low, and there, side to higher point. Nothing there. Going slightly higher again, right? And look at that. Boom. Going to here. Creating some strong bearish divergence. Right, look at that. Coming in lower. Price action, downside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Moving down on that. Starting to create some hidden bullish, which is helping us to maintain us afloat after we move below that 20, which is okay. Alright, look at that. Low, higher, low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing on the RSI, right? Check out NFTs out. Rich, join us on Discord, man. It's easier if you send me the links through there. That way I can open exactly what you need me to open, bro. Our buddy Bitcoin Jake has been doing NFTs now, and I want to start posting up some NFTs as well. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Had the bearish, we'll move down on that, hit that 20 again. That bearish still going on to there. It's still going on to here, I would say, yeah. So that's fine. Here, just, you know, as we were climbing here, or I'll just have it there. I think I had it. As we were climbing here, right, on the 1 hour. As we were climbing up slowly, we started our decrease into the valley of the beast. There we go, right? Here, same thing, right? Look at that. We're climbing here slowly. And here we're getting this move slowly down, right? Like that. On bearish divergence, actually the downside. Try to get another pump. Look at that. We pumped, dude. Higher than the previous high. More positive. Where do we go? Negative. So, going down, right? There we go, man. Look at that, right? Bearish divergence, strong action to downside. Moving down on that. Try to rally, failed, move down on that again. Now, on this moving down, we are creating that strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside. There we go, there we go. And then we don't have it here against the RSI, which is okay. We have it against the MACD. It's good enough to get us to pump. Got above that 20. You see that support here. Look at that. Beautiful. Came down, hit that 20, and boom, rejected lower prices, taking that bounce. Now, we are starting to create some of that bearish divergence hidden that we don't like sometimes because, you know, it moves us down. But we have it here against the MACD and against the RSI. Look at that. right? High to lower high, positive to more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. It is what it is. We might start to move down. Maybe go for a retest of that 20. We do have the strong bullish though. Strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish. We could go here, so find support and go up. If the market's feeling bearish overall, you know, hidden bearish will tend to like have a little more strength. Right now, let's say the term, it's more or less slightly upsloping, right? On the at least since September 22nd. That's it for .om. What is this thing, dude? I'm not even sure what you asked me to look at, man. Oh, dude, it's a game. What? Awesome, bro. Thanks for bringing a game onto the channel. Axie Infinity. I'm not even sure what this is about, dude. I'm guessing it's, from the looks of it, it just looks like we have to, I have to battle. Alright. I was gonna say, it looks like you're making CryptoKitties, but with, like, weird-looking monsters that all look like clouds. Right, I like this claim they make here. I'm not sure if you're able to see it here on the screne. It's a bit cut off. It says, collect. Argent and Mystic Axies have been cap supplied and will never be created again. Stock up and watch them grow in value if Axie Infinity spreads worldwide. They're basically disclaiming that it's going to rise in value if it goes worldwide, which I believe it's okay, but, you know, it's like shooting yourself in the foot a little bit. I think they needed to put that disclaimer. Raise, care for them and bond with your Axies in Terrarium's customizable environment. Right, so we're looking at CryptoKitties that battle, basically. And they sell for, like, Ethereum. 0.12, 0.23, point something. I'm not sure how you get these things. You gotta breed them. Smart they made up by breeding the Axies to gain edge on battles. Or set up a shop as an Axie breeder and supply Axies to the rest of the community. Right, so CryptoKitties. Well, NFTs is this 2017. Yeah, dude, NFTs, yeah. You know, I'll check out the market, dude. Marketplace. Let's go. Steve, see you later, man. Thanks, man. Thanks for showing up, Steve. Thanks for being here. Rich, do you play this? Total sale, 130. Total volume, 35 Ethereum. Average price, half an Ethereum, or 0.64 Ethereum. NFTs are the future, 2017. Who are you kidding? Dude, NFTs are good, man. NFTs I do believe are going to hold value. Long term, though, right? I do believe NFTs are gonna be valuable. They could become usable, right? Imagine just having your crypto wallet with you, right? No need to bring an airplane ticket. You buy it online, you get your NFT, which is your airplane ticket. Show up with that. Open it up on the app once you get to the airport. Scan it and go through. Right? It would be a great example as to how NFTs can work. We already know that there's a lot of people getting into NFTs, including Panini Collectibles, which is coming out with stuff for basketball and NFL cards online. We already know plenty of games that are coming out with NFTs. There's plenty of examples where NFTs are very much worth it. Like Fortnite, right? You buy a skin pack, you no longer want the skin, you cannot sell it. You cannot resell it to someone else that maybe missed out on it, and now it's valuable because it was last season's top skin or whatever you want. I'm not sure, dude. You know, there's so many uses where you're not allowed to sell something you already bought, which you basically own, and you cannot transfer it to someone without transferring the whole account. Which would be okay now if they would let you just sell individual stuff. I do believe NFTs are going to have a huge value in the future, if not in trading, on art, right? Just the fact that you can buy art, and the originator of that art will just basically keep on receiving a 10% royalty over time. Right now, an artist buys a painting or sells a painting, he becomes famous, you resell that, you get a lot of money, he gets jack from it. Right, which is kind of a pain in the butt for artists. Imagine, even musicians, right? You buy a track, Yes, they get some money, but then if you like give that track to a friend or sell it to a friend, they get jack, right? So if you bought the CD and you just resold it, gave it away, whatever, they just get jack. But if you sell it, at least this way, they would get at least 10% of whatever it sells for, right? So you could sell single tracks. I would love to see how this is gonna play out. Once you have like a full collection, and you break it down into parts, then whoever holds the only full collection is gonna be worth so much more than every single individual piece just floating around out there. For collectors, it could be extremely, extremely cool. So you invested back in May on Axie Infinity. How do you invest into this, dude? It used to be $3 to $6. That's awesome. Right, most of them are $90. That's cool. I'm not even sure how to play this, dude. I haven't played this, so I couldn't tell you. There's been 6,000 sold in the last 7 days. That's good. And then 30 in the last day. Look, how do you get into this? Like, you buy a basic one or what? Because I'm not even sure how you would start with this. And basically to pay $50 for an online game that I'm not even sure if I'm going to like, just so I can have two of these little things. I'm not sure if it's going to be worthwhile or if it's going to be worth my money just to get in at $25 for this. NFTs don't work in reality. Your views that they'll own up as CryptoKitties. Dude, CryptoKitties, it's still worth it, dude. There's still people selling CryptoKitties, and they're still being moved on a day-to-day basis. Look, just imagine. I know there's things that have value, like tangible things. But think about it. You buy a book on Kindle Fire, right? You have it. You have a physical representation of the book in digital form. You use it. You read it. You no longer want it. You cannot send it away to someone else on Kindle, right? You just keep it to yourself. You could. Why are you not allowed to resell that copy of the book? Imagine if you're an author, you can come up with a limited release of the book, and it could be worth so much more because it's just so few of those floating around, right? So it could be interesting to a certain extent for collectibles, at least digital collectibles. I do believe NFTs have a use, dude. Sorry, Sotri, I do disagree with you on that point. NFTs will be used in gaming, yeah. Music industry, movies, tickets, and for events, yeah. EFTs for stocks, and yeah. Dude, I do agree with Rich. NFTs are going to have a use. Look, I'll show you this one. Here's a Cointelegraph article. No, not that. Where's the Cointelegraph article? Here we go. Go check this one out. Go read this one, dude. I'll post it on the Discord. If you're on the Discord, you'll see it. I'll post it on there. I'll post it on their links to articles. You can find it there. Do check that one out. Look, I'll tell you who's getting into this already and how much it's grown, right? Look at this. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see the whole thing. Yeah, you can. 2017, there were it was $30 million market cap, right, for NFTs. Right now, 2018, 180 million, and then 2019, 210, and now forecasted for 2020, $215 million, right? How's grown in gaming, which is okay, and how much dollars are transmitted or by it. But what's important here is this, right? Look, more top-tier clubs entered partnerships to launch tokenized player cards with varying degrees of rarity, which is pretty cool. You have your Juventus, your Arsenal, your Dortmund, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Madrid, Bayern Munich. So you're having like West Ham United, having football clubs already jumping into it, right? For collectors, they're seeing the potential. Sports people are seeing the potential. Look, Formula 1 Delta Time Apex Race Car 111. You get an actual sports car for this money. The one-of-a-kind digital Formula 1 race car offers a performance far superior to other motors in the game. Was sold for 415 Ethereum. That is a gaming article on it. And as you can tell here, Formula 1, right? Big brands are getting into NFTs. Yes, Formula 1. right? A major sport brand like NFL and NBA are also doing collectible cards. Like I said, with Panini, you're gonna see them coming into play in different ways, right? Samsung with their wallets, that like the Engine wallet, which you can have your NFTs on, and Louis Vuitton, right? Like getting imagine on people that are like brands or are into branding, going on the Centraland and having your Louis Vuitton shoes or whatever, right, or bag or whatever you want, or Nike shoes, right, your footwear for your digital world. I know it doesn't tell you to anything on the physical world, but at least for some people, it will be worth something. I do believe we're gonna see it more with books and other stuff, right, like tracks and art, right, digital art, which for something just real quick. If you go to Rarible or Rari.com, something I don't like about this is you can see what you have there. Let's say we like this one, right? Which of course, I'm not sure someone did this. You can right click sometimes, depends on what browser you're on. This one's not working right now. You're gonna right click and download it, right? And you can just have it, which if I just say download, save image as, you can save it. It won't be the same quality. There's ways to still, like, this website should be protected and not letting you download the image unless you buy it, right? Which they're lacking that protection. They should implement it, right? That way you can only look at it, but maybe not be able to download the stuff. But some of the stuff they have here is really weird, right? Like, some of the stuff I've seen here, it's like ripoffs, right? Like someone grabbed some anime girls, cut out the outsides and just put them back in here. For me, that's just not worth it. Some things, but some art might be worth it to some people. The top seller has 40 Ethereum worth of sales just today on Rarible. So that means that there is a use case for it, right? Share that link here. Which link? The one for the article? Sure, bro. Oh, that's what people are making the original product are fine with people reselling it and losing profits themselves. No Discord. All right, cool. Looks so tricky. Yes, but if you're a digital artist, let's say you sell a painting to me, right? And I go out and you become famous, and I go out and resell it for like millions of dollars. You're gonna get zero. But if that painting was tokenized and I resold it for millions of dollars, you're gonna get 10% of those millions of dollars, right? Even if you sell me a digital artwork that I can use and reprint, right? Let's say you're a digital designer and you design a brand logo for me and I accept it as it is, but maybe you get a royalty. We can put in the contract that you're going to get a royalty every time we put it into something, right? Or we do something with it. So if you sell me that brand and then I resell that brand logo or anything that you give to me, I resell, you're going to get a royalty on that, right? Right now, you don't get anything, right? Because you just have the contract, you just do the work, you put what it's worth, what it's allowed to be used for as a digital designer, and that's it. So long as you're within the contract, the designer, you already paid for it, and the designer gets zilch. But if you put a digital contract to it, the designer will get something every time that's being sold or reproduced somewhere, right? It would just be so much more transparent for music industry as well, right? Someone buys a track, or someone plays a track on a website or on a server or somewhere, and that money just automatically goes straight into your wallet, right? Out of that play, right? So, it could be worth something. Like some shows could become digital renderings of the show, right? You can buy it online, which right now kind of sucks because if you buy it on Apple and then you switch to another device, maybe you're not able to look at that show again because you're not on the Apple ecosystem, right? Which is dumb. Now you have to buy it for like Google Play and then you have to buy it for something else. So why not be able to sell it or trade it for someone that has it on the platform that you want? Now, you buy a movie on Apple or Google Play, you cannot resell it. You have it there, that's it. You watched it, you didn't like it, you're stuck with it. You should be allowed to resell that because you own it, right? So you bought it, you own it, you can resell it. Just like a DVD. You grab a DVD, you go and resell it. With a digital copy of that movie, you cannot resell it. You're stuck with it, man. They should allow for a resale market of the digital movies that you buy, or at least sell it back to Google at a discount and then you can just resell it back to someone else at full price, right? Let's make a market out of it and let you get rid of the stuff that you don't like, which is just bulking up your library in the end, and let you keep what you really want, right? So yeah, that's where I believe NFTs are going to go. I do believe they have a use case, man. I'm sorry, that's fine. We can keep on discussing that on the Discord. Hey, 252 subs. Rich, if you have this thing, if you have any of these things, you want to send like one or two to me to check them out, I'll return them to you. It's fine. I just want to see how this freaking works, dude. Because I'm not gonna pay $25 just to see if I'm gonna like this game. Because that's what they're for. That's what they're being sold for. Like also you have to buy the land. What the hell is this, dude? Like you have to buy the land to have those things. I'm not sure I want to buy land for this, right? Yeah, it's cool, Sultry. Whatever, dude. It's just a friendly discussion here. I'm also a little bit skeptic, but people are using it. People are selling it. People are making money out of it. There must be a market. Dude, there's no way in hell I'm gonna pay fuck it, like $9 or like any absurd amount to play this game, dude. Like, no way, dude. So yeah, thanks for bringing this one up. But I mean, I do believe it has value. I do believe it's a cool game. Otherwise, people wouldn't be getting into it. But for me, to try out something and pay a $25 or $50 just so I can buy two and breed them, it's a no-go, man. I'm not gonna try it that way, dude. Look, just give me something that's easy, like a level 1, dude. I'm not even sure if that's good or bad here. I just want to get something cheap, dude. What? One of these mystic things is like $1,500. Why? What does it do, dude? Like, let's go level 6, dude. There's no level 6. There's no level 5s. There's no level 4s. There's one level 4. Dude, for real, someone's gonna pay breed count 0. There's a level 4 mystic. It's worth like $329,000, dude. For reals, is someone gonna pay 909 Ethereum for a animal for a game that does almost? I'm not sure what it does, dude. Why don't you just play and breed until you get it, right? $292,000, dude. Like, I have a hard time. Like, someone can buy it. That's fine. I have a hard time believing someone's gonna pay that amount for this thing. I even have a hard time believing someone's gonna pay $116,000 for this thing, right? So it's good that they're there. It's good that someone wants to sell them. Like $7,000, $6,000 for this. Come on, man. Like, someone breed count 1. That's awesome. Someone bred it once already. But would you really sell it at that? I'm not sure, man. It's just weird. Pureness. Pure 1. I'm not sure what Pure does, but, at least this one's $45. Let's see, is there Pure 6? Yeah, there's Pure 6 at $72. It's not that bad there. The other thing, dude, that Mystic whatever, it's just freaking weird, man. There's mecha versions of this. What? They just said mech, but they don't look robotic. That's weird. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I don't think this is gonna be for me, man. They should have like a starter pack where you get 2, maybe, like that are mass produced, and then start breeding from there. And maybe I would get into it that way, but having to chill or spend, almost $50, right? Plus whatever fees you have to mint for doing whatever. No, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna keep it open just for like entertainment purposes. I'm gonna look at it later. But I will not be getting into this game, bro. I appreciate you mentioning it, but no way, dude. What link out? The one I sent? Sold for us collectibles. You bought to hold, but you can breed and sell. A large investment firm paid like $140,000 for 3. Google it. But why are they worth so much, dude? Like, who's really is interested in getting a level 4 of that's worth the value of a freaking house? Right? Who in their right mind is going to sell a house to buy a token of this? Is it going to go higher in value? If it's going to go lower in value? I'm not sure, dude. I don't think I'm gonna be buying any of those, dude. You know, whatever. Collectibles for sure can be traded, but that Logic Pokemon cards are a good investment. Yeah, dude, get a Charizard card. Look, it's a good investment so long as someone's willing to pay for it, right? Like first edition Shadowless Charizard, base holo Pokemon card, PSA 9 mint, 1,200. Maybe, dude. Depends, right? Pokemon 1999 Charizard based Z Shadowless card, yeah, 1,200. So yeah, they're worth something, right? If you have enough of this Charizard cards, you can sell them for something. But like, it's just like saying like, let's get a Michael. Jordan, Michael Jordan rookie card. Alright, let's see how much that one's worth. I don't want the baseball card, I want the basketball card. What the hell? But look, even perfect Michael Jordan rookie card sells for 100,000 on Beckett News. So, you know, there's people that value things like that, right? Dang, it's on Ethereum also. Yeah, dude. Are you talking about the game, Jake? The game we were talking about? The whatever Axie Infinity, whatever this thing was. Yeah, it's on Ethereum. The other stuff I was looking at was just Michael Jordan cards, but you know, how many are there? That doesn't say. Well, Michael Jordan, the 1986 Fleer, right? Upper Deck on 97, 84, Jordan Star. Whatever, dude. There's plenty of cars that are worth something, right? People are willing to pay for this. You know, collectors are willing to pay for it because it has an intrinsic value. For sentimental value sometimes. I could talk about the same about comic books, right? If you have a Amazing Fantasy number 12, first appearance of Spider-Man, it would be worth so much, right? Or get like an Action Comics or a Detective Comics, right? The first time they showed Batman, or like the Action Comics, the first time they showed Superman. That's worth millions, dude, and people are willing to pay for that, right? There's a different way of looking at that, right? So it's a different mirror. Jake says, I think art NFTs work fine on Ethereum, but things for gaming need to be on free blockchains like Hive. Yeah, because the gas money is going to get absurd and you're just going to keep on running Ethereum fees, right? So yeah, CryptoKitties was setting up a lot of the market, a lot of the space for Ethereum a while back. So again, people are willing to put intrinsic value into all these things. Guys, we've been live for a long time today. 2 hours and 11 minutes, and we're just talking about games and other stuff. But that's fine. I mean, I don't mind talking about this stuff. But on that note, I will end the stream. Thank you guys for being here. If anyone wants me to play that other game, send me some like Axies or whatever, and I'll just showcase it here. I'll return them to you after the stream. I'm not even sure how much you pay to like transfer this to someone. You probably have to buy them. I don't think you can even lend them. But I'm not gonna be buying $50 just to get 2 of these things. Like you have better luck at CryptoKitties, I guess, right? You can buy like a CryptoKitty for like $2 or 2 Ethereum worth. Yeah, $2 worth of Ethereum for like maybe $4 you can get 2, and start like mixing them. And there's people who are still buying CryptoKitties. Anyways, yeah, Sultry, thanks, thanks, Rich. Thank you, Jake, for being here. Andrew, Steve, Pro Gamer. Who else came in today? Valky and Bryson, dude. Thank you all for being here, guys. Thank you for showing up to this awesome stream. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Again, this is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you like this show. I hope you were entertained. Again, it's all for entertainment purposes. You should not be trading on based on what you see here. We just discuss different ideas. If you like the ideas, then you make your own decision. But do your own research. Thank you for joining me tonight. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.